In this video, I will show you how to connect your Vantage account to MetaTrader 5. First, go to the Vantage website and create your account. After that, go to the Accounts section. You can open either a live account or a demo account. I will choose a demo account for this example. Click Open Account, then select Demo again. Next, choose your trading platform. Select MetaTrader 5. For the account type, you can pick Standard, Raw, or Perpetual. I will choose Standard. Then select your account currency. I will choose Euro, but you can pick USD or another currency if you prefer. Choose your leverage, for example 1 to 100. Then choose your starting balance, for example 25,000. After that, click Submit. Your demo account will be created, and Vantage will send you an email with your login and password for MetaTrader 5. Now open MetaTrader 5. In the top left corner, click File, then click Open an Account. In the search box, type Vantage and click Find. You may see several Vantage servers. If the first one you select does not match the server from your email, go back and look for Vantage International Group Limited, because Vantage uses different servers. Click Next, choose Connect with an existing trade account, then paste your login and password from the Vantage email. Finally, click Finish. Your Vantage account is now connected to MetaTrader 5. If this tutorial helped you, consider subscribing for more simple trading guides.